Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, let us see what is the performance of MST iCore 2.0 in the live market. So, though the market has opened gap up today, so we are supposed to use 360-degree time frame. If you see the first candle, it is a bullish candle. Second candle also a bullish candle, and it has exactly reached our sell zone, and from there it has formed one bearish engulfing. I thought market will go further upside because of these candles having full bullish buyer strength, but it has given the false signal of the buy signal, but exactly our indicator has worked. So from there we have to sell, and from here we have to buy. So here the high made was 636 and our entry point was 643. So 7 points we missed. 7 points means around 100 rupees. So that extra risk we can take. Even if you have missed this entry, what would happen? Exactly, it has come down and it has touched our buy zone. Now we can take 48,300 minus 200. 48,300 is the entry point and 48,100 call option is our ITM 200 values for the option buying. So now I have what I have done, come to the settings here. See here I have kept the 360-degree format. Since buy activated, I am removing the sell order. I am enabling the DBP, bottom midpoint. That's all. So now exactly you see buy activated and two targets perfectly hit. Buy activated and two targets perfectly hit. So this is how our indicator is working. You don't have to apply any of your own mind. Simply follow what the indicator is telling you. So it will never cheat you. So it will give you a very good profit. Hope this is clear. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.